Good morning, all. Good afternoon to the people across the globe. This is Chola Crypto. Today you can see in front that we're going to talk about MDEX. MDEX is one of the most notable projects in the space, especially from the DEX perspective. Uh, I've been noticing this one from the previous bull run. And let's just quickly check what MDEX is doing. MDEX is AMM, decentralized exchange protocol, and operates on a concept of fund pools, it says. And this was launched in January 2021. Very young project. And what it is differentiating itself is from the competitors is by using the dual chain model on both Ethereum network and UV Eco blockchain. So it operates in both the network, which gives great liquidity for the Ethereum ecosystem. Of the Ethereum ecosystem, that's perfectly well balanced. And the estimated cost for a token swap is just 0.001. I think it's damn cheap for each trade, which is very good. As I told you, it's one of the most interesting projects, and from the DEX perspective, I've been noticing this. I used to hold some MDEX, and I did sell in the previous bull run for a very good price. But looking at what it is currently, the current price is at 12 cents, and it went up to a top of say about $1 in the previous bull run, and it bottomed up to 0.05 cents in the last 1 year. With regards to the circulating supply, the total supply is say about a million MDEX, and circulating is around 929. See, the main thing here is this is a deflationary asset, and I do know that they do a repurchase and burn. If you could see, MDEX tokenized follows a repurchase and burn option model, which decreases the circulating supply. So this is slowly decreasing the supply, and it's burning a lot. The reason it got pumped today is also the same. There was a burn that has happened from October 31 to November 5. I'm not sure how much they have burnt. I have to check that, but there was MDX buyback, and also they launched Gala, the Gala games, where we recorded earlier about Gala games, which went through some issue, but by doing a drill test on their own, where the price got reduced to a very low, what to say, to the very low, aspect. So now they are back. So now they are also listed in Index Scala, and they are giving APR of say about 400%. I don't suggest. I don't really do all these high APR related games in MDEX. I prefer staying neutral with some 50% in centralized exchanges and 50% in decentralized exchanges. That's what I prefer to do. So that's what the announcement is. Like, they did a buyback, and they burned this week, so that has pumped this price to say about 14 cents as of now. Um, Given that, now coming back to the big picture, I told about Gala Games and the burn buyback burn process. Let's look into where MDEX is standing today in the chain number. Say, for example, in the DEX's overview, MDEX number one is Uniswap. I think MDEX is somewhere here around 50s. Yeah, it's here 50s. It's holding say about 840,000 TVL. But when I go to their website, it says the true value locked is by say about 627 million. So I think the information here is not correct in DeFi Lama. So that's what the current live claim that MDEX team is currently doing, and they are also running some bounty programs for people who identify bugs, and if they report it to MDEX, they are giving a bounty program. So just have a look at that. But looking at the website, it's all good. It's true value locked to say 627 million. I believe this is a strong project. It is very young, and it did well with $1 in the previous run. Given the fact it has a lot of potential, it can work with both the ecosystem like Ethereum and Hubi exchange. I believe this is one of the best DEX projects in the space. There are other players also in the DEX space. I'm not denying the fact, but I think there is one. This is one of the strongest competitors for rest of them. Like QuickSwap is big, Uniswap is big, Curve is big. All these are big names. I'm not denying that, but BuySwap is also pretty good. I think MDEX is going to be at least in the top 30 or top 25 in the next at least couple of months. Say about by the next quarter, it should be in top 25, 20. That's what I'm expecting. And given that, let's go to the price. Okay, this story is all good. This is all fine. Where do you think it might hit in the next run? All right. So now we are here, and always our double curve method that we use. Simple strategy. What if it goes up? What if Bitcoin goes up? What if the market goes up? And what happens when it goes down? So a simple strategy here is from here, the first hurdle would be 15 cents. We are almost there. We hit that number 1470 something. Once we clear this, we are going, next hurdle would be here somewhere around 16 cents, and after that, we are going straight to 19 cents. Once we see 19-20 cents, I clearly see a 25 cents to 30 cents market here for a single token. 25 cents. I am very conservative. I love to go step by step in life. Similarly, when I give any prediction, this is not rocket science, as you all know, but it's going to be 25 cents to 30 cents for sure. I will keep it conservative as 25 cents. So it's 10 cents if you hold 100,000 MDEX, and 10 cents, say about what? Just as a raw calculation is what, $1,000? Should be $1,000. So 100,000 into point. So you can make $10,000 if if you hold 100,000 MDEX, and if you put the money now, if it goes to 25 cents, 10 cents more, then you're making $10,000, which is a big, 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 big number and a big money. So think on those lines. Don't just put 100,000, buy 100,000 worth of MDEX right now and tell me that I put that money now. It's what costing around 100,000 into 0.12 equal to, it's costing $12,000. So if you buy for $12,000, you can see another $10,000 when it goes to 25 to 30 cents, and it's an easy number. Just given the fact that it has already done a dollar, and if you have patience to wait and go uh, to the next cycle, definitely there is a 10,000, $15,000 easy spot with MDEX. That's what my analysis is. So hope it is sensible that whatever I'm saying. I cannot exaggerate and give you some $1, $2 immediately. This is going to move slow because Bitcoin, I expected it to go up, but I am still waiting for it to go up. Thanks, guys. It was whether I hope it was helpful to you guys. So I see MDEX going to 0.25. That means 25 cents. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Cheers. And it's not a financial advice. Do your own research. Thanks, guys. Bye.